So students, today we will solve question number 15 from exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5, question number 15. Our question is, give possible expression for length and breadth of each of the following rectangles. Rectangle is given and we need to give the dimension or the expression for length and breadth in which their area are given. Here you will find that area of the rectangle are given in form of polynomial, and we need to find the possible expression for length and breadth. So let us start the solution. Let us start the solution for this. So we know that area of rectangle is equals to length multiply breadth. It is product of length and breadth, right students? It is product of length and breadth. So here our area is in form of polynomial. It is in form of polynomial. P of A, 25A square minus 35A plus 12. And we need to find the expression for length and breadth. So what we need to do? Here highest power is 2. So we can break into two parts. And that method, that process is called factorization. So now to find the expression for length and breadth, what we need to do is we need to factorize these expressions. Right students? So we will factorize this polynomial. Here our first number is 25 and second is 12. So we will, for multiply, I have taught you A multiply C, which will become how much? 25 12s are. It will be 180. 280. Okay, or 12 5s are 60, carry 6, 24, 300. It will become 300. Okay, so now we need to make two parts of this number. We need to make two parts for this number. We know that if you cannot factorize into directly, you can use prime factorization method. But as we know, 15 twos is 30. So 15 20s will make 300. And here in the middle term, we want minus of 35. For that, we need to put here and here negative sign. So now we can factorize them. 25A square minus 15A minus 20A plus 12. So our middle term has been splitted. Now we need to take common. We will take common from these first two terms. Both these numbers are coming in the table of 5. So 5A. A is common. You can have a look. So it will be 5A minus 5 3s are 15. Now minus sign. Both these numbers are coming in the table of 4. So we will take 4 common. 4 5s are 20 and 4 3s are 12. As I have kept here minus sign because before bracket it is minus sign is there. So sign inside the bracket will change. So now 5a minus 3, 5a minus 4 are our two factors. So now area of rectangle become 5a minus 3 multiply 5a minus 4. So here you can take any of the expression as length or breadth. So now if you take length equals to 5a minus 3, then your breadth will be 5a minus 4. And if you take, or two conditions are there, if you take length equals to 5a minus 4, then your breadth will equals to 5a minus 3. So these are the possible expression for length and breadth when we have area of rectangle in polynomial form. Okay, here it is quadratic polynomial. So when we will factorize, we will get two factors, and either of the factor can be your length or breadth. If one is length, then other one will be the breadth. Okay, I hope you all have understood. You can have a look for it. Thank you.